Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ramzi Bagus Pramudia. I am from class Informatika. I will present about software and operating system and also hardware. Software is a special term for digitally stored and formatted data, including computer programs, documentation, information written by computer. Do not have physical form, such as program data, protocols, and etc. When software is stored in hardware that cannot easily be modified, such as BIOS ROM in an IBM compatible. It is sometimes called firmware to indicate that it falls into an uncertain area somewhere between hardware and software. The software itself is made by developers or programmers using a Cortex programming language so that it can be combined into a code that can be recognized by the hardware. Software is made to make human work easier, such as counting, creating, document, processing, image, and etc. Function software. Software has various functions for its user. Some of the main functions of the software are as follows. Provide various basic functions for computer needs to run, such as to provide the operating system and various other support system on the computer. Set the performance of the hardware contained in the computer so that it can run more simultaneously. As a reason between every software and hardware contained in the computer. As a translator for other software command into machine language so that it will be easier to understand or be accepted by hardware. Useful for identifying a computer program. Operating system. The operating system is a special type of the program developed automatically, controlling basic operating and ensuring that the system in your computer are up and running as they should when you start your computer. Because the operating system can enable an application to function, the operating system is referred to as an essential component. The operating system allows you to use the advanced feature of a modern computer without having to learn a detail of how the hardware works. The link between the hardware and you, the user, make the computer easy to use without having to understand bits and bytes. An application program is the type of program that you use once the operating system has been loaded. Example include word processing programs, spreadsheet, and database. Example operating system Windows, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows NT, Windows 2000, Windows Me, Windows XP, Windows Vita, and Windows 7. Linux, Red Hat, Ubuntu, GNOME, and KDE. macOS, macOS Classic, and macOS X. Example application Microsoft Office Payroll, presentation tools, Microsoft PowerPoint, desktop publishing, Adobe Photoshop, multimedia application, Microsoft Encarta, CD-ROM based, encyclopedias. Informative worker software. Number one, enterprise planning. Number 2, accounting software. Data management. Number 1, contact management. Number 2, spreadsheet. Number 3, personal database. Documentation. Number 1, document automation or assembly word processing. Number 2, desktop publishing software. Okay, next I will present about hardware. Computer hardware system. Definition: computer hardware refers to the physical components that make up a computer system. There are many different kinds of hardware that can be installed inside an input device, computer mouse etc., output device, printer monitor and etc., secondary storage device, hard disk, CD, DVD, or etc., internal components, CPU, motherboard, RAM, and etc. Motherboard. The motherboard the motherboard acts as brain, allocating power where it's needed, communicating with and coordinating across all other components, making it one of the most important pieces of hardware in the computer. CPU or Central Processing Unit or processor is responsible for processing all information from program run by your computer. RAM or random access memory is hardware found in the memory slots of the motherboard. The role of RAM is temporarily store on the fly information created by programs and to do so in a way that makes this data immediately. The hard drive is the storage device responsible for storing permanent and temporary data. Hard disk drive work by writing binary data into spinning magnetic disks called operators that rotate at high speed, while a solid state drive stores data by using static flash memory chips. Number 5, graphic processing unit (GPU), especially important for 3D rendering. The GPU does exactly what its name suggests and process huge batches of graphic data. You will find that your computer graphics card has at least one GPU. And then power supply or PSU is the point where power enter your system from external power source and is then allocated by the motherboard to individual component hardware. Not all power supplies are made equally, however, and without the right voltage PSU, your system will fail to work. Okay, that's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.